How to use SmartDraw. For marine systems, electrical 1. To create a new drawing, open Popular, and click Wiring Diagram. Your old work will be saved in Recent. When starting your diagram, you may want things like a gridded background, or ruler. You can find these by going to the Page tab, then clicking on Ruler or Grid. Note that you can zoom in and out of your drawing here. Now that you are ready to start drawing, take into consideration that there are many ways you can go about doing this. Some people want to do a straightforward, but less user-friendly schematic. Some want to do a realistic, detailed drawing with pictures of the devices that will allow anyone to understand, but the drawing will be a bit more noisy. You can also do both. In this picture, you can see two different ways to represent a device. The ACR picture was copied from an online manual. The AC outlet picture was drawn using the Shapes tool in SmartDraw. Another good place to find images is the Symbols slide-out menu here. Here you can find electrical symbols, and if you are doing a schematic, you can find almost everything you need. You can search through the library, and you can also open the hamburger menu and add more libraries. If you still can't find what you need in the SmartDraw Symbols library, there are a few other options. To add a picture, follow these steps. Step 1. Download the picture you want to use to your computer. Step 2. Go to the Insert tab and click Picture. Step 3. Upload the picture and resize as needed. Some users may be able to drag and drop directly into SmartDraw depending on your software. To make a shape, click Home, then click Shape and choose your desired shape. You can also add shapes within shapes to create your own rendition of a device. This can be useful for devices with many wires, such as distribution panels. Now you are ready to add wires. Select the line button next to the red arrow. This is your line drawing tool. If you want to draw multiple lines, hold the Shift button while clicking the line button. Here you can also pick what kind of line you want to use. In this picture I chose Shape Connector. To change the color and thickness and to choose whether or not you want arrowheads, click the line button next to the blue arrow. Sometimes even with Shape Connector you can't make the line go exactly where you want it to. To make this happen, draw another line near the first line. Move the mouse around till the black dot appears. This means the lines are connected. Now you can drag it to the shape and it will automatically connect. If you want to move a line after you've placed it, click Select. Then select the line and hover your mouse over the end of the line till the diagonal arrows pop up, and drag the line to the desired location. To create connection points, select the image, go to the Design tab, then click Connection Points. Once the Connection Points box is open, select Custom, and drag the points where you want them. If the lines go behind the image, you can highlight them and click Bring to Front here. When making lines, you can also insert symbols. You can insert them after you've created the line. This symbol is a fuse. When you start adding multiple systems, your drawing will start to get crowded. Don't worry, lines that cross will automatically line hop. If you want to clear things up, you can often select and move the system and the lines will move with it. A helpful tool on SmartDraw is the Layers feature. Here you can make multiple layers for things like labels. To create a layer, go to Page, then click Layers. Here you can also choose whether or not that layer is visible or clickable. Now you see the labels in the label layer. Now you don't. These slides show that the labels layer is set without visibility on the default layer. If you want to change the settings on your layers, simply go back to the Layers tab and then click Define Layers. Be cautious that you are working in the correct layer. It wastes time to do a lot of work in the wrong layer. However, it does happen. When this happens, select the object you would like to put in a different layer. Go back to Layers tab and select Move Object to Layer. When adding text, you can rotate and move the text where you need it to go. To do this, hover the mouse till this circle pops up, click, and rotate. Hopefully this will be enough to get you started. SmartDraw may have a learning curve, but it will probably save you time in the future. Have fun, and don't get stressed.